In this video, we'll show you how to perform certain actions on a report. We'll start with the action menu with Share. Share allows you to send hyperlinks of this report to another Sugar user. This will not work for a non-Sugar user because the link will not open the report because they don't have access to Sugar. Next is Edit. It allows you to open the report in the report wizard to make any changes you wish. Remember that only the owner of the report, the one that's assigned to the report, should edit that report. If you like someone else's report, use the duplicate option. To create a duplicate of that report, make any changes, and provide it with a new name. You can copy it as the same report type or another report type. Now let's schedule this report. Click Report Schedules in the drop-down menu. This allows you to set up a recurring email with this report to yourself and other Sugar users. You can set up a schedule, and then all you have to do is add other users to that schedule. The export option allows you to export the report's results as a CSV or PDF file. If you select PDF, it opens that report up in a new tab in your browser as a PDF. If you choose CSV, it will open up the file in Excel. And finally, you can delete a report by selecting the Delete option in the Action menu. This removes it from the Reports module list view. Remember, only the owner of the report should delete their own report.